This is one of our featured products. It is a Value Master universal tool grinder. Appears to be new, in very good condition. It has some minor shipping damage. As you can see here on the coolant tray, this is a little bent right here. Also, this corner is bent, and the handle is missing for the Y-axis. It does appear to work fine though. Everything seems to turn and move correctly. Little cosmetic scratch right here on the guard, and it looks like there's a small crack right there. Not a big deal. You do a 360 view of the machine. Very good condition. We do have it powered up, and we're going to turn on the coolant pump right here. You can barely hear it, but it does operate. And then we're going to turn on the machine. It's a half horsepower, 115, 230 volt single phase. It's currently wired for 110 standard plug. Here's the guard for it. And it includes everything stated in the listing. Also includes an accessory toolkit. Thank you for looking at our product.
I'm Jeff Fitzgerald from IndustryRecycdles.com. Thank you for taking the time to view our featured products. Our hours are 9 through 5 Eastern Standard Time. We promptly respond to your questions. Industry Recycles is an eBay power seller with one of the highest satisfaction ratings in the industrial marketplace. At IndustryRecycdles.com, all listings are in stock, unless otherwise noted. This means that your job will not have to wait on a back order, and shipping is completed right after payment is confirmed. This is Jeff Fitzgerald, and I thank you for visiting IndustryRecycdles.com.